Welcome to today's BTC Daily Update. In this video, we'll be diving into the current state of Bitcoin and its recent developments. As we assess the current situation, Bitcoin's upward momentum continues at a steady pace. However, it's important to note that the cryptocurrency remains within a specific range, indicating potential consolidation. Looking ahead, I suggest that we might experience more sideways movement before witnessing a significant breakout. This impending phase of stability could pave the way for a more decisive price movement in the near future. For those actively trading or investing in Bitcoin, a strategic approach is crucial. It's advised to closely monitor the support level during this time. This will aid in developing your position while ensuring you're prepared for potential fluctuations. To mitigate risk, it's recommended to set a strict stop loss at the identified support level. This precautionary measure is designed to limit potential losses in case of unexpected price drops. Be attentive to market sentiment, as any negative shifts could trigger significant selling activity. A key threshold to watch out for is the $25,350 mark. Should the price breach this level, it might result in heightened pessimism and a subsequent downturn. In conclusion, Bitcoin's current journey entails a phase of gradual advancement within a certain range. Traders and investors are advised to exercise caution, closely observe the support level, and consider implementing stop-loss measures. As we closely monitor the market, keep in mind that the price breaking below $25,350 could potentially lead to a shift in sentiment and market dynamics.